guys, welcome. I'm here at Dollar Tree to see what they have new here for Mother's Day, graduation, and let's look for 4th of July things. So right here are beautiful graduation cards. Absolutely love these. This one stands out to me right here. It's 2023. Love it. The diploma stands for everything you accomplished to get here. Overjoyed with pride for you. Congratulations. So nice. We have this one, best day ever. Let the adventure begin. Yes. Ooh, look at this one. Class of 2023. Oh, man, these are nice. Yes. Cute, cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. You cannot beat it. And guess what? It is only $1. Oh yeah. Okay, right here we have the Mother's Day cards. Very nice. Handmade Mother's Day greeting cards. So beautiful. And more around here. Oh, yes. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this one. I love you a whole lot. Too cute. To my wonderful daughter on Mother's Day. Oh, look at here. They have one for sister. Sister, happy Mother's Day. Oh, yes. Ooh. This one, you are so very sweet. Cute, cute. Oh my goodness. These are just so beautiful. Now, right here, bridal emergency kit. Oh, they have it in the white and in the pink. Can't go wrong. So it's a 9-piece emergency kit. Cute little mini fans here. Have it in purple, pink, and green. How cute. Cute little wedding hairbrush. Team Bride. Cute. Cute little boxes here. Look like a little purse right here. I like this. Oh yeah. Inspirational journals. Oh. Pray without ceasing. Okay. If we say we are his, we must follow the example of Christ. John 1, 2, and 6. Well, aren't these adorable? All the scriptures is God breath. 2 Timothy 3 and 16. Oh my goodness, I love these. What a great gift. Ah, yes, guys, here at the Dollar Tree. Love, love, love. Okay, so let's go around here. All of the graduation items right over here. So beautiful. Photo hanging decorations here. This one, and this one is the centerpiece here. Give you a closer look on that one, and this one. Really nice. And this one says, the best is yet to come. I like this. Oh yeah, and it has the little suction thing right there. Yeah, really nice. Okay. Garland. Tassel garland right there. We have the plastic banner. Oh my goodness. They have it all here, guys. Letter banner. Swirl hanging decorations. More letter banners here in the colors. That says happy graduation. I like that. Yes, and they have the cups. Class of 2023. It has it in the black, the blue, pink, and the white. I'll have the signs down here. says, congrats, grad. Oh, like a yardstick, I guess it is. How nice. I also have that one. And this one. Yeah, it's a yard sign. This is just so nice. Oh my goodness. More grad signs here. Yeah. Hanging decoration here. Headbands. Party favors over here. Oh yeah. Everything you need, guys. Even have stickers, photo props, inflatable decorative signs, cake toppers, confetti. Oh my goodness. Party poppers, plastic sticks right here. A pack of 24. Oh my goodness, this is the place to be, guys. If you want to get anything for graduation, it is here at the Dollar Tree. All the plates and napkins and the cups. Wow, $125. You get 6 of these tumblers here. You get 10 of these tumblers. So you get, yes, 10 of the silver, gold, and the color tumblers. This one is probably 12 ounces. Yes. Yeah. Really nice. Beach balls. Here's one. And this one. Wishing tags. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Absolutely love it. Necklaces and yes, all of these nice things for graduation, guys. Yeah. OMG. So here's the tablecloth. We have this one. And they have that one. So we have hot dog holders, 16 hot dog holders. You get 6 paper trays. Very good. Foldable fan. Of course, we have trays in the flag as well. Party poppers. Tinsel food picks. You get 12 of these. Mini tin buckets. You get all the plates and more tumblers over here. Proud to be an American. Okay. And tassels, garland. The 6 feet garland here. So, yes, have the buckets up here. Oh, yeah. Everything you need here is at the Dollar Tree, guys. The ribbons, banners, windsock here, 48 inches, a tassel garland, hanging cutouts, you get 3, and get another banner, it says USA right there, 3 hanging decorations here. Oh yeah, it's here, guys. The fairy wings. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this one, flashing headband. Age 3 and up. More buckets right there. And decor. Oh yeah. Four foam wands. Glitter star picks. Okay. The scrunchies. Oh my goodness, it's just LED decorative light right there. The sign says America United We Stand. Established 1776. Flag right here. Well, well, well. How nice. Patriotic flag right here. 3 mini flags. Oh my goodness, they even have the gnome stick or sign. Yard sign. Oh. Cute, cute. Oh yeah, 20 mini cups, bandanas. Oh my goodness, it just goes on and on, guys. Flag banner here with all those beautiful colors. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. More graduation cards and graduation bags here. You get a 2-pack. Okay. And graduation sunglasses. Even have the mugs. I'm not sure if I went over the mugs or not. The future looks bright. Go out and shine. Nice. Well, I'll tell you what. I don't have a problem with the 125 here at the Dollar Tree, guys. I'll pay it proudly because I think they've really stepped up. And it's really worth 125. Okay, so we're gonna go around to the beauty aisle. Okay, right here we have the sunscreen in the 30. This is the Banana Boat, the sport kind. Sleep lotion here. Eye cream here for dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, and wrinkles. And this is good because I have tried it, or I use it, yes. Okay, it's more night cream here, Soothe Night Cream, Hydrating Clay Face Mask. Oh yeah, Cucumber Facial Mist. Ooh, a lot of goodies, guys. A lot of goodies. Makeup Brush Cleaner. Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. Flawless, younger, and perfect. Oh, okay. Not seeing this one. Ooh. Oops. This is Coconut Oil Moisturizing Body Oil. Soft and restore skin. Glowing Vitamin C Facial Cleaner here. By Global Beauty Care. Let's see that one. Okay. Let's pick this up. And yes, this is the face mist here. It was here a couple of weeks ago. It has the rechargeable battery included. Yeah, ultrasonic face mister. Nice. Right here is the Watermelon Daily Cleanser. Leaves skin hydrated and fresh. Paraben free. Okay, more sunscreen down here. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Okay. Okay, right here we have the non-medicated blemish patches. Absorbs oil and residue. Helps clean blemishes overnight while you sleep. It targets the problem areas. You get 24 in this pack. Okay, so this is my first time seeing this one. Oh, okay. So, right here is the Sweet Breeze Hair and Body Mist. Okay. Any more goodies over here? This is a 2-in-1 and shampoo and conditioner bar. So we have the lavender and the coconut. Ooh, I love coconut. Okay. Now these are nice microfiber facial pads. You get 3 in here. Yes. Okay. What is this? Hyaluronic acid serum. Use it twice a day, 4 to 6 drops to the face, neck, and chest. Okay. 1.2 ounces of this. Pond's have these facial wipes. Oh, purify and refresh. You get 10 pre-moistened facial wipes. Do not flush. Okay. Well, alrighty then. Oh, look at this. last minute gifts, it says right here. This is the mini jade roller here. Oh, okay. And they have it in different colors back here. We have the, oh, facial massage tool. Wow, how nice. Love it. Great little gifts, guys. Oh, yes. Liquid eyeshadow. Okay. Have it in this gold. Have it in silver as well. Well, all right, guys. I think that's going to wrap it up here today at the Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so very much for stopping by. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share me with all your friends, your family, and even your co-workers. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.